In 1923, a blizzard buried New York City under feet of snow. Enter the autonomous snowplow, a marvel of its time. Designed by engineer Elmer Sperry, it was a self-propelled machine that could clear streets without human intervention. As it roared through the city, onlookers were amazed. Could machines really replace human labor? The plow's success led to a revolution in urban snow management, paving the way for modern technology. Today, autonomous plows are a common sight, but it all began with Sperry's vision. How often do we overlook the origins of everyday conveniences?